Jax. How about this? What do you think? You're gonna have to snip around, huh? Alright. Why don't you go check out everything? I got a bunch of stuff to bring in. Alright. Yeah, guys, I assume you have quite a few questions. So don't worry, we're not going to cover everything in this entire video. But because of what's going on, I should probably at least update you a little bit. Jax and I have, well, temporarily moved out of our RV, and we are going to stay here for 5 nights at the Red Roof here in Swanee, Georgia. So this is our room. We actually had to switch rooms because as soon as I checked in, I noticed that there was not a refrigerator and microwave, which I reserved. So they moved me to the correct room, and now we have everything I need. So, well, first of all, let me just show you how I've got everything set up. I brought my Wi-Fi hotspot device with me, so using my PS4, we are watching the Mariners game there. Kind of a little bonus. I mean, yeah, Jax is not having a hard time with this at all. He's just loving it. This makes for our second time ever in a motel of sorts. And finding pet-friendly ones can sometimes be hard, but I was told that every Red Roof motel in the country is pet-friendly, 1 pet. So that's really cool. It doesn't cost anything extra or deposit or anything. So kind of lucked out with that. But yeah, so we got Jax's food bowl there. We've got his stroller carrier, just in case we need to use that. Up here, like I said, I brought my PS4 in and hooked it into the HDMI. So I can watch baseball, and I got all my video games and stuff in case I need to do that. I brought 5 days worth of clothes. I just moved right on in, right? Got another bag of Jax's cat food. Over here we've got 5 days worth of cat food there, some more of my electronics and supplies. I had to bring all of my cords and chargers for all my devices just in case. There's the microwave, and there's the mini fridge down there. It's actually a Dometic little mini fridge there, kind of convenient there. And I got my laptop set up here. I did bring my 8-track digital recorder just in case I get bored and want to write some music and record some music and sing, and that's also why I brought the guitar in. The rooms do not come with a coffee maker, so I brought in mine from the RV. All of my stuff that I'm going to need, and here's the bathroom. It's going to be nice to have unlimited hot water, right? Also, there's a better look at the device, the contraption, and everything that's going on. It gets heavy sometimes. It does. Oh, I got it on tilt. But, yeah, this is going to be us for the next 5 days. Are you okay with that, Jax? Yeah, man. Right outside my window is actually a pool. Yeah. And, you know, with temperatures above 95 degrees this entire week, I may use that, you know. But generally speaking, I don't want to say too much right now because I have got a lot going on. And this was actually planned over a month ago. I've hinted as soon as I got into Georgia that I got stuff going on and steps that need to take to make everything happen the way it's supposed to go in my mind, which anything could change. This is not the cleanest and nicest place that you can stay at in the Atlanta area, but like I said, it is one that allows Jax to be here with me, and that was not something, I mean, I didn't have a choice, right? I had to bring the kitty along. I had to. So I just ask that you guys kind of be a little patient with us because we are working on bettering our lives once again. And making some improvements to the quality of life for Jax and I, and yeah, just to make things better and to build our confidence on the road and everything. So, other than that, I don't really think I'm going to be doing much the next 5 days. So I'm ahead on my videos. You might just see 1 or 2 days here of Jax and I in the motel, or I may just put 5 days into this one video. You'll just have to wait till the end of the video to find out, because I don't know what to expect, you know. Anyway, just wanted to give you that quick update, guys. Everything's good. This is exciting. This is crazy exciting. Ugh. What are you doing? You being a window dweller? I guess it don't matter. You can attract attention all you want. We're allowed to be here, so it's good. It's all good. What? Yeah. Oh, your food bowl's empty? Oh, that's terrible. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. There's where I've got Jax's litter box, and I can just shake this out a few times a day and keep the litter controlled to one area. Yeah, sorry, you lost your privacy. I know. You used to have. I didn't want to bring your whole covered box in, so we're just gonna do it like that. All right, man. Jax, are you cooking tonight? Are you making dinner? I don't want to make dinner either. Okay, we'll order out. Okay. By the way, this is day 2. Well, night 2, day 2 here. I didn't leave the room once today. Actually, watch my next video. I had some fun with the recorder singing and writing some parody music. That video's coming next. Eric goes crazy in his hotel room, yeah. I don't trust you. What's this gonna say? Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great night.
Jax, man! Come here! One for me, one for you. Come here. Hop up. So I got pepperoni and bacon. That's my favorite. You got the catnip deluxe. Oh. Well, cool. That means I got breakfast and lunch tomorrow, too. It's convenient, you know. No, I didn't even go outside today. It's been 95. Like they're saying it's just gonna keep getting hotter. I'm like, yeah, it's pretty late in the season to be here in the southeast, Eric. Looking forward to wrapping everything up. I am looking forward to that. But the pool was popular today, and just something I didn't think about, you know, because like kids yelling and screaming. I mean, they're just screaming like they're dying out there at times. And then they put all the rooms facing the pool area, the outdoor pool. Like, I mean, there are rooms on the other side. I just did not think. I haven't done this enough to know. Those of you that stay at hotels, you know, don't put me next to the pool or the playground or, you know, because the parents just go in the room and the kids are just out there unsupervised, just screaming bloody murder. Anyway, also the motorcycle alarm went off up front. I don't have eyes on it because, like I said, all I have a view of is the pool. I don't know what set it off, except that it was physically touched or moved. In broad daylight. It could have been just anybody. They could have parked in the slot next to it and just bumped the mirror and turned the handlebar. That's enough to trigger the master alarm. Makes me feel a little uncomfortable because usually I've got at least a chain around it or security cameras nearby with the RV or something. Right now, it's solely just the caliper lock and the motorcycle alarm, and you know, I'll just peek out there every once in a while just to make me feel better because, I mean, that's a strange feeling, but I didn't even ride it today, so maybe I didn't even need it. I don't know. I'm going to end this video, guys. I'm going to do that. So, I'll share something funny with you coming up. Otherwise, there's just not much going on in a hotel room. You know, you can't blame me. And so, hang tight, guys. I'll give you an update here really soon. From Jackson, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.